Here's a quick look in the book if that's something that you're interested in. There are projects that are listed in the front where I go over like Bible journaling and wood signs, different things like that. But then also there is a breakdown. I want to show you this breakdown. The breakdown of how lettering works with faux calligraphy. So it's what I show in my videos all the time, but it shows you how to do those basic bones, add a body, and then how it turns it into that beautiful calligraphy look. And this one was completely done with pencil. So it shows how you can really use any tool. I talk about giving the words space so that you can add in that bolding. But also there are 10 different alphabets. Well, there's 5 different alphabets, I guess, but like 5 lowercase, 5 uppercase that match each other. So with each alphabet, like you see how I have uppercase 2 up here, well, there's a lowercase 2 as well that matches. Whoops, it got cut off. Okay, so I show you how to make the bones of the letter, then how to add the body to the downstrokes and make it come alive. So it gives you room to practice each of these alphabets, and then a place where you add the body to the bones just to get comfortable with those downstrokes. There's more. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and go to the back because that section is all about alphabets. All right, then we talk about adding bounce to the words as we connect the letters. Y'all ignore my chickens crowing in the background. And then we work on common words. So these are like common words that are found in the English language, and we go over drawing the bones, adding the body, and bringing it to life. And then in the very back, let me swap out my hand. There are my favorite parts, where these are perforated pages where you can trace and then tear these out and frame them. So you can gift these to people this holiday season if you wanted to. It just gives you that tracing memory, muscle memory practice. Also in the back, there are ready to frame artwork. Like this is one that was, it's actually on a canvas in at-home stores where they picked it up for a canvas, but now you can have a copy just for, you can tear it out and frame it for your home. There's Be Still and Know That I Am God, Fear is a Liar, and that is the last one. But there you go.